Hello friends, you're welcome again to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Harry. I want to apologize for having not uploaded video for a long time now. Something tragic actually happened to me, but I have bounced back and I'm telling you now, watch out for me. I'm back in full swing. Today I'll be making a tutorial on how to make your dark knuckles moisturizer. Most times when we see people with dark knuckles, we jump into the conclusion that they are either bleaching or using harsh chemicals on their skin. But that is not applicable in most cases. What causes dark knuckles? Dark knuckles can be caused by wrong application of your cream or lotion. Also, dark knuckles have been found to be hereditary in most cases. When you want to apply your cream, remember that the skin you have on your knuckles are actually tougher and thicker than the rest part of your skin. So you have to go the extra mile when applying cream on your knuckles. When you want to apply cream on your knuckles, you form a fist and massage the cream into your knuckles. In that way, it will prevent dark knuckles from occurring. I'll be making use of 3 different ingredients for this recipe. These ingredients are aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a very good moisturizer. It helps in locking up moisture in your skin. It hydrates your skin and is a very good antibacterial ingredient and also an antioxidant. In the recipe, I will also be making use of my glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is also a very good moisturizer. It's one of the acids that we have among the alpha hydroxy acids. It has a very slow molecule that makes it very easy for the skin to trap it in when used on the skin. It's also very good for exfoliating. Yes, most exfoliating ingredients or scrubs contain glycolic acid. It helps in taking off the dead cells of your skin and leaving a newborn baby skin. Makes your skin look tender. I'm also going to use that in my recipe. Also to my recipe, I'll be adding my vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is also a very good humidifier. Please, if you are new to my channel, I will advise that you kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have already subscribed, please click on the notification button to alert you anytime I post a new video. Please watch this video till the end because you are going to learn how to combine these ingredients to give you a very beautiful moisturizer to clear off your knuckles if you already have it. And if you haven't had dark knuckles, it will help prevent it from occurring. Please join me as we go through that tutorial. For this recipe, I'll be using 15 ml of my vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin, like I said earlier, is a very good humidifier. It helps in trapping moisture and retaining moisture in your skin. And I will also be using my 15 ml of my glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is very good in clearing off the upper layer of your skin by removing the sebum and other substances from the outer layer of your skin, thereby ushering in a very young and tender looking skin. And lastly, I'll be adding 15 ml of my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is also a very good antioxidant, just like I said earlier. It also helps in trapping moisture and retaining water on your skin, so it will make your knuckles not to dry up at any time when used. You can make your aloe vera gel by yourself. I'll be making a video on how to make your aloe vera gel in one of my videos. When you are done adding the ingredients, you stir. When the consistency is perfect, you can store up in a container. This mixture does not need any preservative. You can move around with it. You can put it in your handbag so that you have it handy anytime you wash your hand or you do dishes or laundry. Make sure that your knuckles are not left dry. Moisturize your knuckles with this moisturizer and you will be surprised that you have the perfect blend you have ever desired. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Then if you have, kindly click on the notification button to alert you anytime I post any video. Also, please share this video and like it. You can also follow me on Instagram at skinillustrations.cindy. Till next time, I appreciate you. Bye.